Hi, this is Jeremy here from Commit Fitness. Today I'm going to show you how to perform a band chest press. To perform this exercise, you'll need to have your band anchored onto some fixed point, and from here you want to make sure that the band is in the middle, so even between both sides of the handles. And then from here you want to either place one foot in front of the other for balance, or if you want to engage your core more, feel free to have them together. From here, you want to lean slightly forward and you want to push the weight out in front of you in a line with your chest. Squeeze those chest muscles together as you're bringing the bands together with your hands.